Hello everyone, welcome to HTMT ProdTalk. For today's lesson, we are going to study about reporting material shortages. Let's have a quick look at the key vocabulary of today's lesson first. As you can see on the table, on the left column we have some key vocab. At the middle we have the meaning of the vocab, and on the right we have the meaning in English.
Completely run out of material shortage. Running low, submit a request. Stock out, impact on production, organ replenishment. Avoid production delays. Production downtime, production delay. Soldering paste.
Let's listen again one more time.
Completely run out of material shortage. Running low, submit a request. Stock out, impact on production, organ replenishment. Avoid production delays. Production downtime, production delay. Soldering paste.
And you can see the meaning at the middle. Let's go one by one before we move on to the listening part. Run out of. Completely run out of. Can you try to guess the word's meaning in Vietnamese? Very good. Material shortage. Running low. Can you guess? Next one. Submit a request. Stock out. Can you guess the word's meaning? Impact on production. Urgent replenishment. Can you guess? Avoid production delays. Production downtime. Production delay. Soldering paste. This is a summary table of all the vocabulary for today's lesson. Can you try to guess the meaning one more time? Let's try to have a guess when we listen to the word pronunciation.
Completely run out of material shortage. Running low, submit a request. Stock out, impact on production, organ replenishment. Avoid production delays. Production downtime, production delay. Soldering paste.
Have you got all the meanings? Let's see if you got it correctly. Okay, are you ready to move on the listening part? Now let's listen to the dialogue about today's topic.
Have you checked the material inventory for today?
I checked it. Last week, everything looked fine.
Last week? You're supposed to check it every morning. Look here, we are running out of capacitors and soldering paste.
Oh. Wait, what does running out of mean again?
It means we still have some left, but not enough to complete today's orders. If we don't act now, we'll completely run out of them soon.
So, can't we just grab more from the warehouse?
It's not that simple. When we see materials running low, we have to report the material shortage immediately. If we don't, production will stop, and we'll have production downtime.
Production downtime? Sounds like a break.
No, it's not a break. It means the whole production line will stop and we'll all be in trouble.
Okay, I get it. But can't the warehouse just restock everything automatically?
No, they only restock when we submit a request. If we don't do it on time, we could face a stockout.
Stockout sounds like a knockout.
If we don't act fast, our whole team will be knocked out by the manager.
Okay. I'll report it now.
Oh, what's the rush?
We're running out of capacitors and soldering paste. We need an urgent replenishment.
Stock levels show we have enough for 2 more days.
Actually, I haven't checked properly for a while. Maybe we're already completely run out of them?
You're not sure?
This is why you need to check the material inventory every morning.
Lesson learned. But now what do we do?
If the materials are really gone, we might have a production delay.
We can't afford a production delay. It will cause serious impact on production.
All right, I'll process your urgent replenishment request now. It should arrive by this afternoon. But next time, report earlier to avoid production delays.
Yes, sir. No more delays.
Good. Now go check the rest of your stock before you have another stock out.
Have you got all the main ideas and details of the dialogue? Now let's move to the speaking practice. As you can see on the 3 left columns, we have the key vocabulary of today's lesson, the meanings in Vietnamese and the meanings in English. And on the right column, we have some sentences to practice speaking. Now let's start. What should we do when we materials Yes, can you guess the question? What should we do when we run out of materials? And the answer is, we should report the material shortage when we run out of materials. The next question. What happens if we completely run out of components? If we completely run out of components, we might face production downtime. Why is urgent replenishment necessary? Urgent replenishment is necessary to avoid production delays and keep production running smoothly. What does production downtime mean? Production downtime means the production line stops working due to missing materials. Why do we need to submit a request for new materials? We need to submit a request because the warehouse does not restock materials automatically. What happens if we don't report a material shortage in time? If we don't report a material shortage, it may lead to a stock out and cause a production delay. What is the impact of running out of materials? If we don't report the issue, it will have an impact on production. What should we do to avoid production delays? We should always check the material inventory and submit a request on time. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon.